So hello everyone, this is SMJ. In this video, we are gonna solve ICSE Class 10 Semester 2 Specimen Question Paper of Biology. So let's get started. So here, the first question is, a muscular wall is absent till. A muscular wall is absent in. Options are capillary, vein, venule and arteriole. So the correct answer is capillary. Next question. The outermost layer of meninges is known as. So the answer is durameter, option D. Next question. Tear glands is also called. So the answer is lacrimal gland. Next question. Which one of the following is not a simple reflex? So the answer is coughing is the right answer. Next question. Loop of Henle lies in. The options are medulla, cortex, pelvis and ureter. Answer is medulla. Next question. The pigment that gives color to urine is. The answer is option C, urochrome. Next question. The number of spinal nerves in human is. Answer is 31 pairs. Next question. The mineral element needed for the functioning of thyroid gland is. Correct option is iodine, as you have heard in the ad of salt. So iodine is the correct answer. Next question. The part of the brain concerned with memory is. So the answer is cerebellum. Next question. The pigmented circular area seen in front of the eye is. The answer is the iris. Next, section B, in which we have to attempt any 3 questions. The first question. Explain the term tropic hormone. Give one example of a tropic hormone. So the answer is tropic hormone are hormones that have other endocrine glands as their target. The example of tropic hormone is thyroid stimulating hormone. Next question. Give the location of pericardial fluid. What is its function? The answer is the inner layer of the pericardium is. So the location of pericardial fluid is the heart, and the function of pericardial fluid is it helps to decrease friction between the pericardial layers. Next question. Given below is a diagram of a human blood smear. Label the parts numbered 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is the first one is the RBC. The second one is the neutrophil, and the third one is the blood platelet. Next question. Give the biological term of the 3-ear ossicles. So the biological terms for the 3-ear ossicles is Malleus, Incus and Stapes. Next, question number 3. Mention any 2 structural differences between the artery and a vein. So the answer is arteries have thick elastic muscular walls, and on the other hand veins have thin walls with few elastic fibers. The second difference is veins have one-way valves, whereas arteries do not have any valve. Next question. Where is bicuspid valve located and what is its function? So the answer is the bicuspid valve is situated between the heart's left atrium and left ventricle, and the function of bicuspid valve is to separate the arteria from the ventricles in the heart and ensure that blood only flows in one direction. Next question is, draw a neat diagram of Malpighian capsule and label any parts. You see it from your textbook or anywhere. Next question, define the term excretion. Define the term excretion. Which are the two main organic waste present in urine? So the definition of excretion is it is the process of removal of chemical waste from body. Next, name any two organic wastes present in urine. So the answer is ammonia and urea. Next question. Question number 4. Name the substance that initiates blood clotting. So the answer is the substance which initiates blood clotting is tissue thromboplastin. And next question, what is the mineral element essential to form a blood clot? The answer is calcium. Next question, give the exact location of adrenal glands. The answer is the adrenal glands are present on top of both kidneys. Next question, mention any three functions of adrenaline. The answer is it increases the heart rate, it increases the blood pressure, and it even enlarges the pupil in the eye. Next question, what is the contraction phase of auricles called? What is the contraction phase of auricles called? So the answer is atrial systole. Next, name the two valves that open during this phase. Which means during atrial systole. So the answer is mitral and tricuspid valves. Next, question number 5. How are cytons and axons arranged in the spinal cord? The answer is the axon is present on the inner side having whitish appearance, and the cyton is present on outer side. Next question, we cannot distinguish colors in dim light. Explain giving suitable reason. So the answer is cone cells in the retina are responsible for color vision. They are functional only in bright light. Moonlight is unable to stimulate the cone cells. However, rod cells respond to dim light. Hence, we can see in moonlight but cannot distinguish colors. Or we can see in dim light but cannot distinguish colors. Next question. Given below is a diagram depicting a defect of human eye. First question, give the scientific term of the defect. The scientific term of the defect is myopia. Next, mention one possible reason for the defect. The reason for myopia is the eyeball is lengthened from front to back, or the lens of the eye is too curved. Next, What type of lens can be used to correct the defect? The concave lens can be used to correct myopia. Next question is, what are hormones? Name any two hormones secreted by pituitary gland. The answer is, hormones are secretions from specific cells or glands in the body and are carried to all parts through blood, but their effect is produced in one or more specific parts only. Next, the hormones produced by pituitary gland. So the answer is the two hormones secreted by pituitary gland is first growth hormone and the second is thyroid stimulating hormone. Next question number 6. From where the following nerves arise? First one optic nerve and second one auditory nerve. So the answer is, the optic nerve begins at the optic disc in diameter, which is located at the back of the eye. So the auditory nerve arises from an aggregation of nerve cell bodies in the spinal ganglion located in the modulus of the cochlea. Next, give the full form of the following abbreviation. First, TSH and ADH. The full form of TSH is thyroid stimulating hormone and the full form of ADH is antidiuretic hormone. Next question. What are the three main parts of the membranous labyrinth? The answer is the semicircular ducts. The second one is two sac-like structures, the saccule and utricle located in the vestibule, and the cochlear duct, which is the only part of inner ear involved in hearing. So the first one, semicircular duct, second one, sac-like structures called saccule and utricle, and the third one is cochlear duct, which is only part of the inner ear involved in hearing. Next question. Complete the following table by filling in the blanks A to C. First one, pancreas, hormone secreted by pancreas. So first A, the answer is insulin. Next, the hormone secreted by thyroid is thyroxine is the answer. And the C1, the effect of over secretion of thyroid hormone is the effect is known as hyperthyroidism. So we have solved the whole specimen paper, semester 2 specimen paper of biology. I hope you have learned many things from this video. If you have enjoyed and learned, then subscribe the channel, share with your friends, hit that like button and comment down if you have any doubts. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy and keep learning.